Temu. I'm gonna buy stuff at Temu and microwave it. But I face that wrong. I mean Walmart. I'm gonna microwave stuff at Walmart. Yeah. But you know what? I was just there. That's me. Like, what if I microwave mayonnaise? What, am I mayonnaise? So I was thinking, I am mayonnaise. So I went to Walmart to record stuff. Everyone would have been looking at me like that if I actually was. I'm at Walmart. I'm gonna microwave whatever I want. So, Dwayne The Rock Johnson. I'm microwaving him. Hey, I'm gonna do some questionable stuff. WD-40. Hey, don't get me wrong. I'm gonna do this. Mayonnaise. Hey, looks cool. And on Google, I found this. I want to microwave it. Looks super cool. Yeah. And this you've known. I'm gonna microwave it. The rubber chicken. 5 likes. I'll rank things I would swallow whole.